What up guys, it's your boy Il Producer. Today we're going to do an unboxing and first impressions of the Satechi MacBook vertical stand. So let's get started. Alright guys, you know what time it is. Time for another unboxing, first impressions. Today what I got is the Satechi MacBook vertical stand. So let's jump right into it. Get straight to the unboxing. Yeah, the reason why I got this, guys, is I want to have more desk space. And what better way to achieve more desk space than to get a vertical stand, right? So, right off the bat, opening the box, what we see here, straight from Satechi. I actually forgot, did I get this from Satechi? I think I did, straight from their site. I think you can also get this on Amazon. I'll include links in the description. Looks like they have a return label here, but let's actually get straight to the packaging. Oh, this has got a nice weight to it, guys. Alright guys, here we go. So straight to the packaging. This is actually a nice box. It's nice packaging, nice box. As you guys can see, I got the space gray because I have a 15-inch MacBook space gray. But yeah, this is a pretty simple product, guys. It's basically a vertical stand. But yeah, just judging by the box, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. This is the first time I've actually had Satechi products. I've seen their products a lot, as they specialize in Apple products. But yeah, let's get right to opening it. And here we go. As you guys can see, it's all in the details. Thank you for choosing Satechi. And boom, here we are. This thing has a nice weight to it, guys. It's good because you don't want your MacBook to kind of like fall over. But yeah, guys, yeah, the aluminum, this aluminum feels exactly like what it is on the MacBook. So just to give a quick demo, this little knob here adjusts the length, or the kind of the width of your laptop. Now, I got this because, you know, I have a ton of laptops. So this will work not just only the MacBooks, but any laptop, obviously. So, as an example, because my MacBook is doing something right now, I have an Asus, whatever you call it, laptop. But we can give it a quick test. As we can see, that's a little too thin, so I'm going to open the gap a little bit wider. And hopefully this doesn't scratch it up. And then we're going to give it a vice grip and crush the laptop. But yeah, guys, as you guys can see, as a stand, it does the job. You can definitely scratch your laptop if you're not careful, like scraping this kind of sharp edge here. I'd like to see if they'd round this off, but this is a sharp edge. But just taking it out, like, you could definitely bang it in, right? If you're not careful, this is like a game of operation, right? You don't want to like touch the metal sides, right, or do something bad. But yeah, I mean, it's a simple stand, and the weight helps. As you see, I'm flopping the thing around, and the thing is not tipping over. It's staying solid. So yeah, I think I got this from 40 bucks from their site. Again, I'll leave a link in the description. But yeah, guys, I mean, this is a solid piece of equipment. It's rather simple. And the reason I got it is because, you know, it's space gray, it matches my MacBook, and it's adjustable because I have a shit ton of laptops actually, and I have like a bunch of MacBooks too. So, yeah, I mean this is as simple as it gets, guys. I mean there's tons of vertical stands on the market. It all depends on which style that you like and what functionality you're looking at. I was actually looking at the 12 South one that they have, the Arc Book, but that's not as adjustable, right? So that's why I went with this. But yeah, guys, overall, first impressions are pretty good. So I'm going to sign out on the video right here. So until next time, it's your boy Il Producer signing out. Peace.